pretty. Well done. All right, ready to open? Teach Arlo which is number 3. You gotta show him.
No, let me show you. There's number 3 on there.
Yeah.
Mommy's out to help you.
Yeah, I'm going to help, okay? Here you
I got this. I got that, guys. And I got mine.
I know. Hey, Arlo.
Oh my.
What did Arlo get?
I got this one.
Do you want to open? Oh, you got a grape? Oh, you got grapes, Arlo?
I see.
Yeah, see?
Look at this guy.
Aww.
What did I
Open your mouth. Ooh, I'm not sure. Do you know what it is? Did you see?
Yes. Santa.
Oh, is it?
It's Christmas.
It's Christmas. What do you guys say to Santa?
Thank you, Santa.
See you tomorrow.
You in my door.
Good morning. Happy Wednesday. School ni ate today and end of the year concert niya din today. So, na-cancel siya last week, diba? Ngayon na siya. And ngayon lang kumalma yung bahay because kanina pagising ko, pagbaba ko dito, nagwawala si Arlo kasi gusto niya na namang umakyat. Matulog daw kami, go to sleep daw kaming dalawa. But kalmado na siya, kumakain na siya ng breakfast doon sa kabilang lounge watching superheroes. Take off your pajamas. I'll put your dress on. Really nice costume today, baby. Are you excited? Iba na yung schedule talaga. Like last time kasi magpe-perform sana silang lahat sa hall and you will get the chance sana na manood sa lahat. Ngayon, just to make sure na hindi na naman makancel because of the weather, they will do it in a hall. So parang closed siya and meron ng specific time kung kailan ka pupunta para mapanood mo lang yung ano mo lang, anak mo lang, ganun.
Hello, guys. I had a concert in my school.
Are you going to perform?
No?
You're going to sing and dance, aren't you?
Yeah.
Okay, what are you gonna sing?
Walking in sunshine. Jump through again.
And you have to wear yellow. Yes?
Why?
Because that's your theme. So she is wearing one of her dance costumes because it's yellow. Ganap na ganap si Ziz today. Ang ganda ng costume niya today. Wait, sa. Oh, nilagyan ko din siya ng yellow earrings. I think the earrings are perfect, Baba.
Why did you say Baba?
Because you're my Baba.
Baba's not a princess. Which one is your favorite color? This color? Oh, this color. Oh, this color. Oh, this color. Oh, this color. Which favorite color is your color?
This.
Okay. My favorite color is yellow. Because I'm very yellow.
Eco looks na mos.
Then I have a box in the card for mom.
So, yung concert niya is mamayang alauna pa, guys. So, may klase pa siya mamaya. Pero sabi nila, pwede na daw silang bihisa ng kanilang costume. Girl!
I want Cinderella hair.
Huh?
I asked Daddy last night.
You ask him what?
I had Cinderella hair tomorrow for my concert. Henry wear bracelets there.
I don't think you should be wearing bracelet.
But they're not all my wear bracelets and so
Oh,
Simone.
so no? Okay. Feeling ko ganap na ganap ka dahil. And, ready for this? Don't lose your headband, huh?
Mommy,
Yes?
did I do have golden shoes?
Oh yeah, you can wear golden shoes today, girl. That's good idea. You love your golden shoes, don't you? Alright, go get your golden shoes. That's very pretty. Do you like it? Don't lose your headband, huh? Do a spin. God, beautiful. I love it, girl. Do you like your shoes? We'll take a photo later. Show Indy. I think Indy wants to see. Indy, girl, look at ate. Look at ate Indy. Look at your ate. She's so pretty. Oh, can you see her? Can you see ate? Look. Indy, girl, do you want to dance too like ate? Oh, look at ate dancing. Oh, she likes it, Ayla. Look. Look. Go dance. Look. She's happy. She likes it. You like it, Indy girl? You love it, Baba? Hey? That's your ate. Dancing ate. Dancing ate. Dancing. Oh my gosh. Oh, look. Show Daddy. Daddy, look.
Nice.
But I can do this.
Yeah. I love your earrings.
And what Kai's can do. Watch this, Mom.
Yep. Ooh.
What's the thing today? What is it?
Yellow.
Just yellow?
Just yellow. Just yellow, anything.
Very cute.
Very cute. So we didn't get to see this. We just saw this on the stage, which was a bit blurry, really.
You like it?
Why was it a bit burly?
There were lights everywhere. Colorful lights as well. So we didn't really get to see you properly with your costumes. But you look really good. Go get a wipe. We'll wipe your face. Ang aga-aga pa guys. Pero mag-ready na lang tayo. Mag-ready na lang tayo kasi magbibihis na ako because look at what Indy did to my... Hey, baby. You baby chak-chak. I said, baby chak-chak lang. After niya kumain ng chak-chak, okay, baby. Sus, buyag. Kabuyag. Kabuyag ba yan? Kabuyag ba yan? Chak-chak, pero humot. Gihapon kayo? Love you, eh? Oh, you're looking at the guys? Good morning. I'm Iti, girl. I'm full. I just had my milk. And I like a lot of milk. I love a lot of... Oh, yeah. Talk to the guys. Say hello. Say hello, guys. Hey, you wanna say hello to the guys? Hey. So, yung mata niya, meron siyang... Kasi nagmumuta yung mata niya, yung kabila. Tapos nung may gatas ako, nililinis ko siya with my breast milk. And then pumunta din kami sa pedia niya. Sabi nung pedia niya, mawawala naman daw yan. Hindi naman ako sobrang nag-worry sa kanya. Kasi alam ko naman na mawawala because Arlo had this as well. Pero, sabi niya, if you are concerned, bibigyan kita ng prescription ng drops. So, I do have a prescription ng drops, pero hindi ko pa siya binibigyan, guys. Kasi nagiging okay naman siya eh. Hindi na siya kasing dami nung last time. Like, nung bago pa talaga, as in, yung mata niya talaga, pagising niya, punong-puno ng muta na hindi siya hindi ma-open ba. Ngayon, na-open niya naman. Tapos, konti lang naman. Pero, yeah, it's just this eye here. Let me see your superhero. Oh my God! Surprise! Let me see. Oh, superheroes! Oh my gosh, that is so fun! Hulk smash! Dala-dala niya talaga yan lahat galing sa baba. Tapos sabi nga nung pedia, okay lang naman yan, normal naman yan sa ibang bata. Hey, do you wanna sleep na? Or do you wanna do tummy time? Oh, you wanna sleep? Or tummy time? Hey? Buyag ba ni mo? Maglagot ko nimo kay buyag kay kaawa ragod na busog man ang kumibi ay. Busog lagi na akong baby. Meron akong package pala from I Am Gifts Ahoy. Dumating kahapon. Pakita ko sa inyo guys yung iba. Damit at saka itong ito. Pwede ito ilagay sa phone. Pero hindi kasi ako mahilig sa mga ganito. So, I gave it to Ayla last night. Iniwan niya lang dito kasi sabi ko ipakita ko muna sa guys. But kay Ayla yan guys. Pero if you're looking for something like this, meron sa I Am Gifts Ahoy. Merong palabugbog dyan. I know it's not labubu, but I do not know kung anong tawag dito. Crybaby. Char, hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam, ayan. Ang cute niya man, kaya lang hindi lang talaga ako mahilig sa mga ganito, mga abubot. This one is nice. I like the color of this one. Very simpulan lang. And meron din siyang palabugbog na nakabitay dyan. Ayan. Ang cute din ito. So, pag bumili kayo sa IM Gifts Ahoy, may kasama ng ganito para masabit nyo sa phone nyo. And then, may mga damit din ako dito. Pakita ko sa Wait sa. Try ko lang ipatami time tong aking baby. Do you want ipatami time? Merong mga damit dito, guys. Oy! Nag-grow lang aking baby. Strong yarn.
Masyado ka namang malakas. Eh, huwag mo na masyadong lakasan. Huwag mo na masyadong strong. Huwag mo na masyadong strong. Bakit naman yan?
Matagal na yan siya nag-roll, guys. Wala pang isang buwan. Nagaganyan na yan siya. So, ganyan talaga ang ating baby. Strong. Very strong talaga yung ating baby lang. O, sige, roll ulit. And our carpet is very cushiony. So, okay na okay lang siya dyan. Hindi siya nasasaktan. Nakita nyo naman kanina, nag-roll lang. Parang wala lang nangyari. Yeah, you wanna talk to the guys? Do you wanna show them you're rolling?
Hey, say hello guys. I am Indie Girl.
Do you wanna talk to the guys? Sus, kabuyog ni mo, uy. Kabuyog, ano akong baby. Uy, strong na kayo nagbili akong baby. I know. Newborn pa lang to. Tamay time na to eh. Yung newborn pa lang siya, as in literal na newborn. Kakalabas niya lang talaga. Nakaangat na yung ulo niya, guys. Hindi ko siya napansin, actually. Naalala ko lang sinabi nung kambal ni Dan, nung bumisita sila the day after I gave birth. Sabi niya, oh my gosh, her head control. Kasi karga-karga ko siya, tapos ako, parang nakasandal sa couch. And then, she was doing this na. Yung head niya nakaganyan na. Tapos sabi nung kambal niya nga, my gosh, her head control. Tapos naalala ko, oh nga, no. Kakasilang niya lang. So, ganyan na talaga siya. Strong baby talaga siya. Ikaw ba naman ang tagal sa tiyan? Di ba no? Na-practice mo na yan sa tiyan. Baka bukas nagsusulat na to. Huwag mo siya nung mabilis, B. Tapos wala pa lang isang buwan, nagro-roll na to. Pero si kuya at saka si ate, hindi naman ganito. So, iba-iba talaga mga bata. Parang gagapang na nga eh. Tingnan yung makaano ng paa. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. That.
Can we just take control? We're overcomplicating how love flows. High low shouldn't be this dark, broke shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me, snatch me up quick, let's see the ring. I wanna know, can we move forward, bust down that door, playing all my cards now, 'cause I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. I've been waiting.
Nagbuhis ako. Gamitin ko to, Gardenia na perfume from Zara. Ang aga pa guys, 10:53 pa lang ng umaga. Naka-white noise kasi ako, so hindi ako nagsasalita masyado. Ang ingay ng aking background. Ayun na naman, gising na yung ating isa. Mag-clutter tayo guys. Something quick. Si Arlo napakain ko na. Si Indy, ilang beses ko na yan siyang tinry ilapag. She has reflux. Ilang beses na siyang nagbuay ng marami. So, we're switching formula. So, maya-maya lang. Before kami umalis, pakainin ko yan. Yung bagong formula na. Okay. Do you want it in your chopstick? Strawberry lollipop? Yeah. I-open ko pa ba to? Maya na lang siguro. Gusto ko itong i-try. Oh, tagal ko na itong binili guys. Buti. Okay pa naman siya. Tagal niya ma-expire ha? 3rd of January 2025 pa yung expiration date niya. Ito yung sabi ni Manay, masarap daw eh. So, mayroon siyang lamang 4. Masarap ba ito? Ay, huwag mag-alala, ipikit na mata na pahinga. Anong cheese ba yung nasa loob nito? What? Ah, cream cheese. Alright. Ganyan yung itsura niya.
Sabi siya, ayaw na.
Yeah, masarap siya. Okay, let's go. Huwag mag-alala, ipikit mga mata, na. Ay, 12:17 na. Papakainin ko pa si Indy. Hala. Wait, sir, guys. Papakainin ko pa si Indy.
Hello.
Hmm.
Maybe the packages. Maybe the presents you brought. I don't know.
We should leave before 12. It starts at...
For one,
before 1, yeah. Starts at 1:10.
leave here about 22.
Oh, soon. Okay.
It was pretty busy today.
Was it? I need to feed Indy. She just fell asleep as well. I don't have to feed her. It's very close. I can feed her when we get there.
Yeah, I'm feeling it.
She's got reflux. She vomited pretty much everything that she
Okay.
had today. Happy man yung baby namin ay. Kasmile man niya aming baby ay. Ready natin yung babe ni mo. Dito na kami sa car park na kahanap kami ng parking. Yeah.
Emerging, and we recognise their continuing connection to this land, waters and culture.
Ayla, this way. Pauwi na kami guys ng bahay. Stop lang kami dito sa OTR. Kasi gustong bigyan ni Dan ng ice itong mga to. Sabi ko wag na, hindi naman hinihingi. Wala, nag-stop pa din. Wala tayong magagawa. Siya nagdadrive. Tigas ang ulo ng daddy natin. But Ayla did amazing. Ate, you were amazing, Bob. I really liked it. Hoy. Ang init. Buti na lang wala sa labas guys. Sobrang init. Nandun kami sa hall eh. Kung nasa labas ang init siguro kasi magpipiknik ka lang eh. Yun yung original plan before na cancel. Don't cry, Baba. We will move soon.
Daddy, I want blue. Blue. I want blue.
I got blue in this one or blue. Which one?
I want blue. And I want that blue.
This one. I actually got blue for myself or whatever.
Nina, smell my feet.
Ngayon ko palang nilabas yung ano ni Ayla, lunchbox. Dami kong ginawa. Ang cute nito. I like this. This is Ayla's handprint.
You know what that is?
The flag.
And that's for
Aboriginal people.
a handprint flag
A handprint flag. Yes.
with fingers.
With fingers. Ang cute naman ito. Aboriginal flag. Itong mga kulay na to eh. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, marami sila daw dadalhin ng mga artwork o yung mga gawa nila sa school kasi last week of term 4, right? Yeah.
We'll buy Miss Simone a present tomorrow at Golden Grove.
Oh yeah, sige. We will buy your teacher a present, ate.
Why?
Because we don't know if she's gonna be your teacher next time. Oh, and she's a really good teacher as well. Do you really like her? Ito, ang ganda ng mga kakulayan. Ayan. Meron din siyang similar nito dun sa fridge. Ito gusto ko to. Itong kamay. Ayla, what's this?
A rainbow star.
A rainbow star. Ayla loves drawing rainbows. Ah, I like this one too, princess. Is that your hand too?
And that's my bigger handprint.
Bigger handprint. Oh, there's more at the back of this one. Look at this.
Look
Oh!
at the back.
I know. Who is this, Ayla?
And that's you.
Oh, it says mommy. Ayla and mommy. I like that, Baba. Well done. And more rainbows. Rainbow. Rainbows. Tapon natin yung iba kasi marami pang darating bukas at saka sa Friday. Kaya lang dapat itago na hindi niya makita. Kasi kapag nakita niya sa basurahan, kukunin niya ulit.
You draw that.
But i-display natin yung iba. Ito ang cute nitong kamay. I don't think she got the chance to finish your food kasi sinundo na namin siya agad eh. Oh, she did. She ate her biscuits. She had a little bit of strawberries. Oh, she ate her wraps. Good job, Baba.
But I don't want the popcorn.
You didn't want the popcorn. Yeah, that's okay. Tulog si Arlo, guys. Kanina pa yung tulog. Magdadalawang oras na or siguro 2 oras na talaga. 5:29 na ngayon. Tulog pa din siya. Wala, ang tagal na naman nung natutulog mamayang gabi. Should I start cooking now? Just boiling this really? Not yet? Yeah?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Oh, that is hungry. We will have beef tortellini with Filipino style na pasta sauce. So ito yung ginawa ko recently. Tapos freeze lang namin. So that's our sauce for today. And parang ang ganda nitong pasta natin today. Meron pa tong pa-sleeve. Kinuha lang ni Ayla kasi nag-artwork sila ni Daddy. Nagka-cut-cut sila ng kung ano-ano dyan. Hindi ko lang ma-vlog kasi nakahubad na naman ang aking asawang, ang aking macho papi.
Do you want now me can I close for this?
Napatulog ko na si Ayla, guys. Kasi again, school bukas. So, pinapatulog ko yun ng maaga. Wala pang 9, dapat tulog na siya. And pakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga binigay ni Gifts Ahoy kasi nandito lang siya nakatambak. Maya ko na kasi siya i-put away kapag napakita ko na sa inyo. Actually, try ko siya kanina kaya lang hindi ako nakapagsalita because I had white noise on. Ang ingay-ingay ng background ko. Ayun, hindi bagay sa akin yung lahat kasi hindi kasya yung iba masyadong malaki. But kung naghahanap kayo ng mga ganito, I am Gifts Ahoy on Instagram. This one, ang ganda-ganda ng kulay niya. Feeling ko bagay ko sa yung pants ko na linen. Ito siya Ang cute-cute niya. So, yung pag-try on ko kanina, hindi ganun kaseryoso ha. Kasi kung ano lang yung suot ko sa pambaba, hindi ko na siya pinalitan. Parang as in, sinukat ko lang talaga siya. And this one, kung naghahanap kayo ng mga ganito, meron sa kanya. Very oversized yung look niya sa akin. But maganda yung tela. And alam niyo, mahilig ako sa mga ganyan, mga button down. Medyo malaki lang siya sa akin. Very baggy yung look. Ito, maganda siya. Kaya lang, hindi ito yung style ko. Hindi ako masyadong nagsusuot ng mga ganito. But, cute din naman siya. Ito, cute to. Kaya lang, yun nga lang. Crop din siya. Ang ganda ng tela niya. Hindi siya gusutin. So, ganyan siya. Cords. Ayan. So, kung naghahanap kayo ng mga ganito, guys, I am Gifts ako yun Instagram. And, yun na yung vlog ko. Mag-edit ako, guys. Thank you for watching. Sana nagustuhan nyo yung ating vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you guys soon. Bye. Be good. Mwah.